Yeah, hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, and I'm the co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we also about to make money online, how to start online businesses, and how to do dollar retreat. So if you want to do online businesses at times, all these businesses based in the outside world, like let me say outside Africa. It can be Europe, Asia, America, etc. So today's episode, I want to show you how you can create foreign accounts, euros accounts, pounds accounts, dollar accounts, Canadian accounts, Asia accounts, Singapore accounts. Yeah. So and it's good for people who also want to start doing ebook, Amazon KDP, want to start selling things online in a foreign zone, like a lot. Yeah. So me, relax. Me, I'm an expert in creating dollar accounts, creating foreign accounts. So it's my work. Yeah. But people don't know that if you're in Ghana, you can create foreign accounts, and that's why I'm doing this video. So I'm doing this video so that you know that if you're in Ghana, you can get any foreign account details that you want. So follow me well and let's do it together. Yeah, so I'm doing it for someone, yeah, but I will not let you see that person's more details. Yeah. Yeah, so I will not let you see the details, but you understand what I'm trying to tell. So when you open the site and you go the site, I will not show you to. I want to let you know that you can create foreign accounts here, and that's my job. So if you want foreign accounts, you chat me and I will do it for you. Yeah. So these two, is personal. Choose personal. So follow it well. Yeah. So it's loading. Yeah. So when it take you here the country, we have country that we choose, because if you're in Ghana, you not see Ghana, but we have country that you choose. That country too, I will not let you see. I want you to know that you can create foreign account details. So you follow me too well. Yeah. So we have 7 countries that if you're in Ghana you can use it for. So I'm searching for the country that I want to use for this particular video. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So let me choose this. Yeah. So after that, then I will input Gmail, the person's Gmail here, and I was saying that they said that the OFX account can't be registered. Please contact the contacts here. And I was saying that they said that this account can't be registered. So contact. That means the person I've tried before. The person I've tried to create the account before. You see that thing? Yeah. So in this case, you have to use different Gmail. You see that thing? You have to use different Gmail to do it. So I'll use different Gmail. Then I'll click next. Let me do screenshots here. Click Next. So after that, the currency, to, I would choose euros, Jimmy. Then the person's name, Mr. The first name, then I'll check the first name from the Ghana card. Thomas Kusano. So the first name, then the last name is what? Chire. Then the date of birth. Then the phone number. The phone number is from Ghana, so I'll choose Ghana. Then I'll enter the phone number. Then the country, so home address, that's the home address to the home premises. So like I'm creating for someone, so I don't want you to see the person details. That's why I'm hiding some things. Yeah. So the units, it depends on the units of bungalow. It will be, let me say, block or building. Let me choose building. This number, street number, the street number, seven, for a street name. You see, so you have to do all these things. You have to do all these things before, and after that you see that then here I'll choose Ghana. Occupation depends on what he wants to use the account for. So medical, yeah. So let me choose what healthcare manager, nurse, pharmacist, physiotherapist, psychologist. Let me choose psychologist. Then here you create a password. So let me create a password for him. Then I'll click on what's done, and then I'll choose a secret question for him. So this one, city. Then I'll choose. I'll take this. Then I'll look through again to see whether I answered all the yeah. Then here, let me choose Cape Coast. Done. It's too much. Yeah, so this one I didn't enter it well. I have to do it like this. Yeah. And enter Cape like this. So I'm sure with it. So I'll check everything if everything is cool. Then after that, I'll click on submit. So this one I'll choose. I want to check this thing. So this is it. So you are done with your accounts, and some small time, the foreign account will be in. I will not say it was not for me. So obviously, I'm done. I can start verification here, or I can do the verification later. You see, so I can choose to cut it because it's not for me. It's the account is not for me. Yeah, so I can choose to cut it, and the person will do the verification. So this is how you create your foreign accounts. Yeah, so I want to open it and show you the account details and everything for you to see. So now the account is done. This is the account details and everything. So the person will verify it, and after that, I'll go to my bank, this thing, and after this thing you have to activate the wallet. Yeah, so this is the account. So this is the US dollars wallet. Have you seen it? Yeah, so if you enter it, it will open for you to see the details and everything. Yeah, if you enter it will open for you to see everything. So after that, we'll be activating the ones you want to use. So if you create the accounts like this, you're not done. You have to activate the accounts with your code, with your reference number. So after that, we will activate the code for him. So before we activate the code, the person have to verify the account first. So this is the person's customer ID that we will use and everything. So the person name was yeah, so that's it. So the person will verify everything. After that, then like we do the activation for him so that they can use their accounts. Yeah, so this how we do foreign accounts and everything. So after that, I can go and check the names and see it's the same. Yeah, so the person can use it, and that's all. Yeah, so after verifying it, the person will tell me that, oh, I'm done with verification. Then I will activate all the accounts for him. Or if he only needs, let's say some people only need GBP and the dollar accounts, so we can activate the GBP for him or the dollar accounts for him. If you need Kuwait, UAE dirham, that one too, that's what Dubai, like I can do for you and everything. Then I'll activate the accounts for you. So this how you will do it. So thank you for watching me, and the name's Reminiscing. I'm Ken Rhymes, and I'm out.